Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and welcome to part 2. I am playing with what was supposed to be color blocks, and sort of still is. I'm not sure. I finally found a smaller piece of acetate, which I think will help me quite a bit. And I don't mind that there's some color left over on my card, because it usually changes things up. So even though it's not geometrics like I've been doing, could have some geometric aspects just because the cards are square. And I've been enjoying just taking what's left on the card and putting it over the edge of the canvas to give my edges a little bit of color. And I'm adding whatever color strikes my little fancy at the time, because I'm trying not to be disappointed by bugs. And the paint is drying pretty quick, so I think I'm getting warned about what summer's going to be like. And I want to make sure I don't have any little tags hanging off the edge of my acetate, because it's a problem. Alright, where's my pink? There we go. And I like that red, and I think I want to use some more of it. I did actually find a round... Yes, we're going to just love those funky marks and that gnat that's dogging me. Alright, so well, what else do I want? I don't know yet. I have colors I don't use very often. And sometimes that's a good idea, because we can always add to that. And hopefully it'll come out fast enough for us to do something with it. I have talked about this being just stage 1, now stage 2. Still stage 1 really. I got some gummy metallic paint, and it's time to clean my card off there. I think that is, that was a color shift. That was a color shift turquoise that I happen to love a lot. I do not have enough space here to put all my cards down and clean them and keep working, but I do the best I can, just know that. And little finger pressure helps evenly smear the paint, and I want some purple in there. And if I can catch it before it becomes too gooey, I'll be much happier. Because after it's gooey, all you're doing is pulling paint off again. And I have enough paint on my card to attempt to cover my edge, at least in part. So I'm going to use my finger, as I do often. And then I'm going to put some more of that color down where I can use it. And I don't know what that is. That schmutz. Probably the remains of a bug. Chances are very good. I am dogged by bugs. I want some more of that color shift right there. And I don't know what I'm going to do over here. I just saw that that was not satisfying me. Use my color right down over the edge. Try not to judge myself too quickly about how I'm feeling about this yet, because it's kind of fun still, and I haven't used any of the white pearl, and I'm thinking that that might be cool. But the purple calls me, I answer every time. Smear one way, push, and drag. I think that that is a good idea for right here. I kind of want to try that circle, but I'm not sure it's going to work. I'm still not sure it's going to work. Well, fortunately the paint that round thing is going to do. Don't really want a hard edge even if it's round. Although that's not what I liked. But I do have some texture there now. And it looks kind of cool. So I'm learning to embrace my schmutzy moves. And I'm going to give myself... Can I do it? Question is, can she do it? Not if I'm going to try and do it without some schmutz. But we've already sort of distressed everything else. And it's looking pretty interesting. So I'm not going to complain. As long as I've got a little bead of paint on my card, I can still... Yeah, that's me shaking a little bit. Oh well. As long as it's not gloppy, it's going to fill in okay. I want some red orange. Turntable does come in handy. I'm sorry they're not available. If I could sell them, I would. If I could give them away, I would. So we're still soliciting Martha Stewart. So you all, everybody out there who wants a turntable, go ahead and email Martha Stewart and say, Priscilla told me to email you from Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, because she's having a pretty good time using your turntable base from the patio table you sold through Kmart. And she thinks that we'd all enjoy having one. And this is us telling you that that's the truth. Aha. Aha, new splooge. So what color does that intimate that we're going to put up there, I wonder? We don't want more yellow. I wonder if we can change up the pink once it's in there. So sheer. And I have other stuff on that card, so I'm going to get a similar effect. Might get some really interesting textures. I know that this gold and that often create patterns. And I know because it's on the white canvas that it'll stay. The question is, do I want it to stay? And the answer is, I don't know yet. Where's my pink? Just really having a lot of fun with textures. Even if some of them are not textures I expected to like, I'm liking them. I don't know if I'm going to like that. That is, where is it? The Artful Minds? The Art Minds, now Rapid, Multi-Surface, Metallic. just makes me want purple everywhere. I think better to shove the card up to the edge than to try and put it along the edge and drag it back. One false move and you're in the next groove. Yeah, that was a rhyme. I think the major trick with this is to catch whatever it is you're doing in a timely manner so that you don't have an excess, what do I want in there? Oh boy, of glop. Glop being the stuff that occurs when painting's dry. Glop I'm taking a chance on because I like the idea of adding some texture down there. I think I'm just going to go nuts with this. Because I like the texture of it. Not only that, I like what happens when we combine other things with it. I can do without the bugs. I bet you figured that out already. The hard edges, unless you're willing to embrace them, acetate cards are not for you. And I'm still learning all the time. I didn't give myself any pearl, but it's very sheer, so it's not going to make enough difference anyway. I'm down to a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes again. I am going to give myself a little gold, I think. And why don't we, while we're at it, just try and show something that's almost done. That over the edge. There's some good stuff about that. I think I'll be working on it for a while, for sure. I think this is a perfect example of one of those I can just keep adding colors to and pulling them over. So that's probably exactly what's going to happen. And I could actually wait a half an hour and it would be, because of the acetate pulls the paint so thin, I could wait half an hour and it would be okay to do that now. I'm pretty sure. But it's getting a little late in the day for that. Yeah, I think that's going to be fun for me. So I love you guys. And we have 57,000 subscribers to celebrate, which is always a nice thing. I'm already working in areas I shouldn't be. Ooh, we got some nice cells down there. Maybe I should just leave those and add some more of that. Tell you whatever I feel like telling you again, which I probably told you already in the last video, which is I sell my artwork. So contact me through YouTube if you'd like to have more information about that. I give lessons in Spring Hill at the house, so if you're in the neighborhood and you want to have a lesson, just let me know and we'll schedule you. We've got a couple coming up. We just had one. It was awesome. Thank you, Audrey. Thank you, Ruby, for stopping by. We had a ball. We had great weather, so we were outside. If you shop my Amazon link, there's no added cost to you, and it helps me out. If you watch, the more you watch my videos, the longer you watch them for, the better off I am. They place my YouTube videos better depending on how long people are watching them. Okay, yes, I just did that. Because I can. The name of my book. And I think I'm going to have a good time with that. Maybe I should come back for part 3. Yeah, I like that a lot, actually. We'll see what happens. You guys are going to be gone very shortly. Embracing my abstract artist soul, and I do have one. Adding a little texture. Never hurt anyone. Yeah, I'm having a good time now. Hopefully I'm trusting myself in the right direction. Okay, so I know I have an extra minute because I start my timer well in advance. And I am having a pretty good time. Just adding black paint. And you guys are going to be gone, and if I want to let you come back, I better start soon. Yeah, no precision here. Just willful fun. Alright, so, whoop, turned all the way around. I don't know about that black spot, but I guess it's in for the penny, in for the pound. And I will see you guys in the next video. I haven't been torching as much lately because the acetate card pulls everything. Do I want that there? I guess I do. Let's see what happens when I pull it.